Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, southern Milwaukee County in northeastern Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 4 miles northeast of Osage Hill State Park to 4 miles north of Pawhuska to 4 miles east of Scheidler, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations that are near the path include Martlesville, Milwaukee, Pawhuska, Dewey, Barnsdall, Scheidler, Winona, Oshaleta, Delaware, Bighorn, Pearsonia, Bartlesville.
Okay, they canceled this and then reissued it.